My African princess. My northern queen. Beautiful princess. All over now.
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. See, I've come again with our game, our guest game.
Mama, today yes. Ma will do game.
Yes.
Thank you.
Today, just do for me a sign of what girls like in relationship, and I'll guess what you are trying to tell me. Me, I will do sign of what two boys like to hear. Then you will guess what that is.
Try to guess it.
Yes.
Okay, Mopana, let's start. Let's start it.
Okay, I'll start.
You started.
Okay. Yeah. Boys, they always like to hear this thing from girls. Guess what now?
Oh.
Closing something.
Yes. Go and close the fridge.
No! When they get, tell a boy. Lock something.
Close the locker.
No, go and close the door first. Why is lying guilty? When they get, say, oh yeah, go and close the door first. Oh yeah, your turn.
Okay, my turn. Women should like very well when men she ask them she ask them to haka.
Okay. Hi. Ooh.
See my hand, I do haka. This money she's do haka. They say.
Hey, what is that? Send something.
You like send something.
Hey.
Oh yeah, man, women should always like men to say, send me your account number so that I will send you money. She's sweet very well, She's sweet.
Okay, send the account. Okay.
Send the account number. That she's lovely.
Okay, my own.
Your turn.
Men always like this thing. Once a woman asks them this thing, watch me. I don't understand. Watch my hand now. In the Assam, you. I might. No, think now. See my hand. Circle. What is circle?
Circle. Are you in circle?
No. Are you around? I want to come over. Are you around? I want to come over. Oh yeah.
I learned it. Okay, my turn. Women she like it when man she say like this.
A man calling something, calling baby.
No. Hi.
Somebody calling something.
Somebody will.
Call somebody.
I will say when women like it when a man said that a delivery man she's coming to get you to bring you something. Or when they say that send me your postal code so that I will send something on you.
Okay, delivery man. Delivery.
Now delivery. I do my hand like this man. She will call you. She will deliver something for you.
Okay, my own. Men like it when a girl finally tell them that watch my hand. Remember what like this my hand is now.
This sounds funny you show again.
That's to see. I'm giving you a clue now.
I want. Just tell me, I don't know this. I'm not.
Call up to girl. A man like it when the girl say, I have seen my pillion. Once a man yell it, you know it. You don't have to say it. You know it.
I don't.
Your turn.
Okay, my turn.
Do. I want to go out. Please.
Okay, how about sorry? She do it when men say it. Haka.
They want to dance.
But dance, ba?
You want to fly?
Yes, it's on flying harder, but you can get it.
Come and fly with me.
No, women should like it when men say that I got 2 flight tickets. I like it very well. Like, my uncle likes to say that you got 2 flight tickets. 2 money, 2 flight tickets for 2.
Okay.
They travel out of the country. Women
It's very
should like it
romantic.
very much. Very, very romantic.
Let me now shock you, Aisha. Let me now shock you. I got ticket for 2. Me and you. I got the flight ticket for 2.
We go to Dubai?
Yes.
Go Paris?
No. We are going to my maternal place, Okoso, Ibilibo Gada. Me and you. Let's go and see my grandmother. 2 flight tickets. You like it?
I like it because I will meet you. I will see you. I like it.
Thank God you are not like all these girls that will say, if it's not Dubai, I'm not flying. If it's not Hawaii, you can see now. That's why I like Hausa girls. They're very, very contented. You see, we'll go to Okoso, flight ticket. How you doing, Tomo? That's like my first choice. You're my first choice. I was happy. Yeah?
You say I'm your third choice?
I don't say that you're my hello network. Hello.
You say I'm your third choice?
Nah, network. I don't say you're my third choice. Hello.
I'm hearing you. I'm hearing you. Say I'm your third choice.
No, letter. Call the letter. Oh, I can't hear you. Aisha. Okay, bye bye. Later.
Let's go.